Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 60i, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all, let's say, currently added languages, or those thanks to which we've got a shortcut, kind of. So as you can see, we've got 3, and let's begin with adding new ones. So just go to other languages, and here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find your language and then tap on it. So I'll pick maybe this one. So just tap on it, and your device will immediately ask you whether you'd like to set the language as a default one. So just tap on apply, and now we just go back to this previous list, and now our language is at the very top of the list, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one languages added here, you can quickly reorder them. So let me choose English, so let's tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the very first position. And now I've got English applied. You can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner here and tap on remove. Now we can mark the languages which we would like to delete and tap on remove. Tap on remove to confirm, and as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.